Hello guys, welcome back. I hope you are doing great. In today's class, we are going to deal with respect to copy. So here, copy is nothing but if you want one more time or one more object with the same properties and everything, if you want to place somewhere beside this object, so you can go with respect to copy. For this case, you got the two words are there for shortcut key. You can use any one, CO or CP. The same way here also what we can do, see now the cursor point is you are finding the center as a pickup box and crosshair. The same way here whenever I was using the modifying toolbar again, it is going to shift from my crosshair along with pickup box to only pickup box because modifying toolbar we are using here. So again here also we are going to use the three following method, last whatever we have seen in with respect to arrays. The same way you can go with respect to a menu bar. Under this menu bar you are going to find the modifying toolbar. Under this modifying toolbar you are going to find the copy. Over here you can use this one, or you can use with the help of your what you call ribbon box. Here you are going to find the copy, or you can just type you type in the comment box as CP or CO. See now first time I was typing CO, it is showing me the copy. If I was typing CP, again it is showing me the copy. These two will work same as in case with respect to you are copying the object. I have shown a small example over here. See here, for copying CO and CP is there, right? The same way if you are using this C, Control C, whatever we are doing with respect to your Microsoft MS Office, if you are using, so there what we are going to do, right, what we are going to do, we are going to press Ctrl C for copying the object. If you want to paste this that object, what we are going to do, Ctrl V, right, Ctrl plus we are going to use for the paste. So if you are using this command in AutoCAD, there is no what I'll call, if I was copying this rectangular object, if I was Control C and Control V, it is not allowing me to freely, if I want to copy from this particular point and if I want to paste somewhere else, I was not getting this freedom in case when we are using your Control C and Control V. If you are using this one, so here I got the control to copy anywhere from the object. I will show both the things how it is going to be work, right? See here, what we are going to do for copying this object. Again you got the last previous video whatever I shown with respect to your arrays. The same three following methods we can use: one by picking the object, one by crossing the object, and one by your control A, right? So I will show here also by controlling control A also. See here, I was taking one small object over here. So what I will do, I will just first by selecting the object. Here I got the copy with the help of ribbon bar, or you can do any of the things. Now the cursor has shifted to pickup box. You just select here copy and you pick the object, which object you need to be copied. You just select that object. Now it is stating with it select the object and press the space. When you select when you pressing the space, now see my mouse, it is rotating over the object, right? Wherever at any particular point you can just tap and you can copy from center point. If you want to copy from here to here, you can copy a number of things like this. The same way a number of times I can copy here, right? I don't need to give the Control C Control V every time, but this case directly I can do the things, right? The same way what I will do, see here one more thing. I was copying this object by selecting the object. This time what I will do, by picking the object is done by crossing method. See, by crossing I have done. Now press this space button. Now this time what I will do, one circumference point I will take here and I will copy somewhere else. So it is going to be work, right? Here I used to get the freedom. Wherever I want, I can choose that particular point at the apex of this circle. So I can point, I can select here, I can place here. If you are going with respect to Control C and Control V, see here first I will select the object. Now what I will do, I will press the Control C and Control V. See, I don't have any freedom. This case it has been already selected the object, now it is pasting. So there is no particular point. If for example if I was taking line, if I want to place exactly on this particular line on the top of this one, when I was going with respect to control C and control V, it is possible is not there. See, I need to do lot of work over here, it is not placing exactly over here. If I was going with respect to what we'll call copy object CO or CP, see here I was just selecting that by picking this object. I'll press this space. If I want this apex to be placed at this particular top of this line, means I can place like this. Easily I can do with the help of what I'll call your CO or CP. When you are going with respect to control C and control V, there is no what I'll call freedom of picking the object as a base. So we are not going to do over there. That will be the more complex when you are going with respect to control C, control V. So for that reason only in AutoCAD we got the different style or different command is there to use your copy. The third one is control, so select object all, right? So you just tap here, it will come to pickup box. This time nothing you need to do, just type in the comment box as ALL. Now it has going to copy whatever, how many numbers of objects are there, it is going to copy all the objects. Now you press the space button. So here it is stating me, showing me that only one object is there, one found. So now I can pick anywhere, I can place it here. For example, if I got the three object, these three object will be paste or copy one more time at the below of this object. So what I can do with the help of all, so control C. Now pickup box has came. So what I will do, I'll type ALL and I'll press enter. I'll pick the object, right? So what I will do, I'll press once again space. So if I see, now it is going to be placed at the bottom. Whatever number of objects are there, you can place at that particular place, right? So this is how we are going to use your copy in AutoCAD. Thank you.